Hi friends, welcome back to another Cotton Cuts Puzzle Mystery Quilt tutorial series. Actually, it's not going to be a tutorial. I'm going to do speed sewing to make the videos a little bit shorter, a little bit more manageable for people to watch and listen to. So let's get to it. This is our second Puzzle Mystery Quilt for Tree of Life. I already recorded the first one yesterday. That video will be uploading to YouTube shortly. But again, we didn't have anybody who guessed correctly in the colorways that I chose this round, which was no big deal. There wasn't any like prize. I just thought it might be a fun thing to do to see what you guys thought I might choose. So this is the large size. I've already done the small. I'm not going to spoil what I got in the small because just in case you haven't watched the video yet. Before we get started, I just want to say up front, thank you for being here. Please, if you would, go ahead and like the video, hit the subscribe button, and the little bell will notify you anytime I either go live or release a new video. Really helps the channel out, helps other Puzzle Mystery Quilt detectives see these videos. I am not an ambassador. I just love this system. I love getting pre-cut blocks and instructions and being able to just put them together without having to do any of the cutting. So let me just start by saying that my kits came like this. Your clues might not come like this. If you didn't pre-order all 10 clues and pay up front for them, then you're not going to get this box. What you are going to get will look like this. You will get an envelope that has your clue inside of it, along with, your first clue will have your color key, it will have your flat Nancy, it will have your clue instructions, maybe a couple of goodies. I don't really know what they included for the first. There's a sticker for sure. But anyways, your clue will either come looking like this or it'll come like this. Me getting my clues like this means that I don't have to wait for them to ship my clue. I can just do it when they email me my clue. So here's my printer was, offline for a little while. So I've got some runs in the printing. But anyways, they email me my clue, I print it off, and that's that. So let's get into the big reveal. I'm going to open it up like I did with the other one, kind of like a book. Here we go. So this is our large colorway. And we got Green Meadow. So there's a sticker, which I love. Here's the key card, the color card. So it'll show you what your fabrics are, what's intended for your binding. On the inside, they've got lots of information in here, ship dates. So I feel like this is a typo. I think it's supposed to be the spring Puzzle Mystery Quilt always ships on the first Friday of the month. Because the fall ships on the last Friday of the month. I think that's a little bit of a typo there, but that's okay. If you have any questions, you can always message me in the comments down below or on Instagram. But they've got a Facebook group that you can join. And they have a really good help service. So use your resources if you get stuck or you need help. I know that a lot of people's clues have not arrived in a timely manner. That's not their fault. USPS and I think UPS are taking their time. My clue 7 for Carnival for Fortune Teller still isn't here. Here is our flat Nancy. She's blue this time. For Carnival, she was orange, I think. And it's got instructions on the back. But here's what my box looks like. I've got all of my clues just in a box. There are no, I don't have any of the instructions except for clue 1 because those get emailed to me. So I got a goodie in this box. Let's see what's in here. What is this? Oh my gosh! Look at that. So I got a couple of pencils. Quilting is cheaper than therapy. So in love with quilting. I love these. They included some chapstick, or lip balm, I should say, and then mini Kleenex, which is good because I'm sick. But all of our clues are here. I did not order, so that's the binding. Here's clue 10. I did not order the border kits. I did the border kit for Village Green, but I don't think I was going to do that for this one. And then this is their 15th puzzle mystery quilt. This is my 3rd, which is kind of wild to say. I just love them. I love this. I love this method. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all set up at the sewing machine, and we are going to do clue 1. right, friends, that's the conclusion of our Tree of Life Green Meadow large size clue 1. I wish I could tell you how long it took me. I think it probably took me about 30 minutes. There is a portion of the sewing that's missing because I got a phone call and then my phone got out of sync with my computer, and, just technical issues once you get a phone call and it interrupts the streaming. So anyways, I am loving these colors. I don't normally go for things that have orange in them, but I'm kind of obsessed. I love these fabrics. So I already got some feedback from the small version that I'm doing that the speed sewing is fun, but to make sure that I still do the inventory of all the pieces at the beginning of the video. And as always, I will tell you how long it took me once I do that. All of the links for everything you need are down below, whether you need help or to get started. All of that, those links are down below. Please like and subscribe. If you have any feedback, please leave it for me in the comments. What colorways are you doing? Are you doing one? Are you doing multiple? Please let me know, and I cannot wait to see your finished clues. As always, don't forget to post a picture with your Flat Nancy. Bye!